this is Dr. Pon Selvan. I am the head of School of Science and Engineering at Curtin University, Dubai. Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest, largest and broadest fields in engineering. Mechanical engineers involved with the design, manufacturing, testing, analysis, maintenance, operations and control of various mechanical systems. Any system which has a moving part or uses energy, mechanical engineers are involved. Mechanical engineers apply the principles of science and mathematics to develop creative solutions for technical problems. Great inventions like diesel engines, aircrafts have produced huge job market across the world. We have a huge level of comfort and convenience in the world today. Mechanical engineers have played a major role in this, and they are going on enhancing our comfort and convenience in the world. Entry requirements will vary between different universities. However, all the universities will expect those applying for a mechanical engineering degree to have a strong background in mathematics, physics and chemistry. If the student doesn't have the necessary grades, some universities offer the option to take a foundation program for about 6 months to 1 year, which aims them to provide with the knowledge and fundamentals required in order to begin with their bachelor's in mechanical engineering degree. There are a wide range of fields in mechanical engineering. According to the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, there are 36 branches for mechanical engineering. At the undergraduate level, students will begin with a key introduction to mechanical engineering topics such as statics, dynamics, machine design, thermodynamics, metallurgy and material science, and engineering graphics. As the course progresses, there should be enough opportunities for the students to specialize in a particular field such as design, manufacturing, thermal engineering, heating, ventilation and air conditioning engineering, petroleum engineering, minerals engineering, automobile engineering, aerospace engineering, quality control, installation, nuclear energy, solar and other alternate energies. There are many other mechanical engineering fields. Many involve crossover with a related field of study. Examples include computational engineering, biomedical engineering, textiles, energy conversion, machine learning, artificial intelligence, micro-electromechanical systems, mechatronics, nanotechnology, etc. After 4 years of mechanical engineering degree, there are more than 30 options available for higher education in the field of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers are heavily involved in the design and development of transportation systems, including road, rail, water and air transportation systems. Automobile engineering, railway engineering, marine engineering, aeronautical and aerospace engineering are the branches of mechanical engineering. Design and manufacturing is another major area for mechanical engineers who are involved in the design and development of industrial production lines. This involves computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, computer-integrated manufacturing, material handling system, flexible manufacturing systems, robotics, quality control, etc. Mechanical engineers are also involved in various sectors of the society, including textiles, healthcare, food processing, construction equipment, agriculture equipment, MEP jobs, defense equipment, robotics, etc. Mechanical engineers can also choose to start a business on their own. No matter what kind of mechanical engineer someone is, their job at its basic level is problem solving. Each mechanical engineer specializes in a particular field to solve certain kinds of problems.